Hey, what's up everybody? Green Hill Gardens. Just had our fall cleanup. I'll give you guys a quick look at everything. Like I said, we cleaned out all the weeds, all the grass, all the overgrowth. And that's how we do our Green Hill. Like I said, you know, our quality speaks for itself. Our quality just speaks volumes. And like I said, when you're dealing with Green Hill, you're only dealing with the best. You know, this is no amateur work we do out here. Like I said, that's how we do our Green Hill, you know. We ain't out here shining nobody's shoe. We out here just doing quality work all the time, day in, day out.